Oh, she's on it. Got it. We're doing doors today. I didn't really like the color of the pull strap, so I colored it red. So it's like a red camo. I don't know. It's gonna match the car a little better, but it goes right here. I don't think Brew's coming outside this time. He's kind of tired. Went for a big run. Thinking of velvet wrapping all this. I've been looking at some velvet wrap from on Vivid. I think I'm gonna order some and wrap all this. So for their door panels, you need to take off your rubber trim off the edge here, and then you have to actually put it into their aluminum panel, and then flatten these tabs down, and then it clips right back onto your door. I got the liner in. I'm just gonna throw it on the door. Alright, so door's on. I just got to put the screws on. I'm gonna get it wrapped as well, like I said, velvet suede. I don't have anything to put here, so I gotta fill that in too. Alright, so that's basically it. Very easy. Don't tighten these too much because they become righty-loosey. Altogether, this probably took me 20 minutes to put it into the door. Not even. So, very, very simple install. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go get my hair cut and then I'm gonna go do the driver door. Alright, I'm back from my haircut. Just gonna throw this on the driver door now. Like, we'll just zoom into this one. Yeah, I was gonna do a cool transition to like the door being done, but like, I just wanted to point this out. What the f we got going on here? Okay, we can continue with the cool transition. Ready? Okay, so there it is. Yep, I'm breaking into my own car. Why? Because that plastic piece that goes around the lock and the door handle is a little too tight. So when I close my door, it doesn't unlock itself. She's on it. So this is coming off. This is actually pressed against the lock. I have to like pull it out. All I did was I switched this little mechanism backwards. So I took this pin out and I switched it onto the other side. This plastic piece that surrounds this, I just threw down in behind down there, so it like pushes this away from the door. So that plastic piece is now inside, just being held by pressure. I think it feels better. Alright, moment of truth. Lock. Yes. I'd just give a huge shout out here to LRBSPEED for sending me this stuff so I can take a video and show you guys how to install it on the FCRX7. I have a discount code for you guys, so DJP-LRB, all in capitals, and that's a 10% discount on your next order. So go hit that up. Again, thanks LRB. I've probably taken out about 80 pounds out of the car, probably more, with the custom speakers and everything, so a little bit of weight reduction there. Next I have to take out the rear stuff, and then I think the roll cage is going to go in fairly quick here, so stay tuned for that. And it's a bolt-in, so I'm going to be doing all that stuff. So alright, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next.